And we're heading into this weekend with the third system that we've been talking about this week.
Yeah, we got a lot to talk about weather-wise, but we got to start with the Valentine's night forecast.
And no issues tonight.
Yeah,
so
good.
if you are headed out for dinner, the roads are dry. If you're going to be late coming home, let's say after 9 p.m.,
Right.
might see a few flurries, but the first weather impact with this next winter storm, and good counting, we are up to 3 this
Well, it's the third one, and yes, Angela, I will be late coming home.
Okay, then you will see a few flurries.
I got a babysitter.
That's good for you. The big impact will be the potential of ice, but that doesn't happen until after midnight, and it's one of the big weather impacts that we're tracking this weekend. Ice late tonight and early Saturday, heavy rain, especially south on Saturday, and then snowy and slick on Sunday. What you can do this weekend, check back for updates, allow extra travel time. Be prepared for lowland flooding south of Indianapolis and snow accumulations on Sunday. We may end up with a couple of inches of snow to wrap up the weekend. The winter weather advisory issued by the National Weather Service is because of the threat of ice late tonight and early tomorrow morning. It's in effect from Indianapolis north. Nothing on radar close to home. However, just across the state line, we're starting to see some snow showers build across the western sections of Illinois. This is the reason we may end up with a few flurries or a few snow showers after 9 p.m. Cloudy skies right now and 33 degrees, winds southeast at 11. 33 the current temperature, also the high for the day, and whew, it was cold this morning. We dropped into the single digits, officially 10 in Indianapolis. Nowhere near record cold. Record low is 14 below zero, set back in 1905. No rain, no snow today. Mentioned the heavy rain south tomorrow. The potential of 1 to 3 inches of rain. This is the reason we may end up with some lowland flooding. We will be keeping you updated on that. If you do have Saturday plans, icy to start, soggy to finish. Temperatures will climb into the 40s. We turn snowy, windy, and slick on Sunday. Let's get to the hour-by-hour timeline. This is really going to help you make those weekend plans. Early this evening, no issues. After 9 p.m., chance of a few flurries or a burst of snow north of Indianapolis. Here comes that ice threat after midnight, Indianapolis north. And then here comes the heavy rain event, especially tomorrow evening, tomorrow night. We may end up with a few rumbles of thunder before the rain moves out, changes over to snow. And as I mentioned, we may end up with a couple of inches of snow as we wrap up the weekend. Stay with us all weekend long. There is lots going on. Dry this evening, ice early tomorrow morning. We wrap up Saturday with heavy rain and thunder. May end up with a couple of inches of snow to wrap up the weekend, and preparing, alerting you now of bitter cold all next week.